Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable Team Auto Launch on startup. So first, we're going to click these three dots here and click settings. And here, we're going to click the auto start teams or open application in backgrounds. It is optional by the way. And next is you're going to right click your task bar here and you're gonna click task manager. You're going to click startup, choose startup, and find Microsoft Teams. If it's enabled, you have to disable it so it cannot auto launch on our startup. So right click and disable. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everyone.